If you're over 60 and think that eating fruit every day is always good for your heart, you might be mistaken. Some fruits that seem healthy can do quite damage. Raising your blood sugar, stressing your arteries, and speeding up atherosclerosis, a significant trigger for heart attack and stroke in older adults. Ironically, the very things you believe are good for you might be making your heart work harder every single day. The truth is that not all fruits are created equal. Some are loaded with natural sugars, have a high glycemic index, or lack the nutrients that truly support blood vessels and heart rhythm. But here's the good news. There's a group of fruits that's been proven by actual science to have powerful heart protective effects. From lowering blood pressure and bad cholesterol to guarding your blood vessels from oxidative stress. And the best part, they're easy to find, affordable, and simple to work into your daily meals. In this video, you'll discover the top 5 heart-friendly fruits analyzed using clear evidence-based criteria, their real nutritional value, their effects on blood pressure, cholesterol, and vascular inflammation, and most importantly, whether they're safe and effective for people over 60, including those managing blood sugar. You'll also learn when to eat them, how much to eat, what to pair them with to maximize the benefits, and what to avoid, so you don't accidentally cancel out the good they can do. If you care about your heart, or you're caring for aging parents or loved ones, stick around until the end. Because in the final segment, you'll hear about one fruit that NASA included in astronauts' diets, not for the flavor, but for its powerful ability to protect the heart, even in the harshest conditions imaginable. 1. Avocado. A soft fruit for a strong heart. Avocados aren't just trendy on social media, they might be one of the best fruits for your heart after age 60, if you know how to use them right. Beneath that deep green skin is a powerhouse of oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that's been shown to reduce vascular inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and lower bad cholesterol, LDL, without harming the good kind, HDL. In a 2015 study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association, participants who ate 1 avocado a day for 5 weeks saw a significant drop in LDL levels compared to those who didn't. Avocados are also rich in potassium, a key mineral that helps naturally lower blood pressure by balancing sodium levels. For older adults, especially those with diabetes, at high risk of heart disease, this fruit is a gentle but powerful ally. How to use it: simple. Eat half an avocado in the morning with whole grain toast, a boiled egg, or just a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of sea salt. Or toss it into a lunchtime salad to boost your absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Just don't overdo it. While healthy avocados are calorie-dense, about 160 kcal per 100 grams. Half a fruit per day is just right for those watching their weight. A small heads up: avoid overripe avocados. With a fermented smell, oxidation can reduce their nutritional benefits and cause bloating. And if you're sensitive to latex, introduce avocado slowly. It may cause cross reactions. Avocados. Don't just soothe your taste buds, they calm your arteries, easing the pressure on a heart that's been working hard for decades. And if you think only avocados can do that, wait till you meet the next fruit. Tiny as it is, it contains compounds that quietly relax your blood vessels and may help prevent stroke. 2. Blueberries, tiny berries that help your blood vessels breathe easier. They're small, soft, and subtle, but don't let their size fool you. Blueberries are one of the most powerful fruits for your heart. They're packed with anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and reduce the risk of arterial blockage. And the best part? You don't need a ton to reap the benefits. A study from the Harvard School of Public Health involving over 90,000 women, found that those who ate at least 3 servings of blueberries or strawberries per week had a 32% lower risk of heart attack than those who didn't. Scientists believe anthocyanins help protect the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of your arteries, from inflammation and oxidative stress, keeping your vessels elastic and lowering your risk of atherosclerosis. But it doesn't stop there. Blueberries have also been shown to gently lower blood pressure, especially in people with metabolic syndrome or prehypertension. A 2019 study published in the Journals of Gerontology found that after 12 weeks of eating 1 cup of blueberries daily, older adults had an average systolic blood pressure drop of 5 mmHg, similar to the effect of a mild antihypertensive drug. How to enjoy them. Simple and versatile. Eat about half a cup around 75 Gs in the morning with unsweetened Greek yogurt mix into oatmeal or a salad, or blend into a blueberry plus chia smoothie for a filling low glycemic snack. With a GI of just 53, blueberries are a safe, heart-friendly option for those managing diabetes. Pro tip: stick to fresh or frozen unsweetened blueberries. Skip the dried ones, they're usually loaded with sugar and preservatives, which can cancel out the heart benefits. Think of blueberries as your blood vessels' lungs, helping them stay relaxed, letting blood flow freely, and easing the daily burden on a heart that beats millions of times without pause. And if you're looking for a fruit that doesn't just open up vessels but actively lowers cholesterol, wait until you see what's coming next. A tart little powerhouse that's surprisingly effective at scrubbing your arteries clean. 3. Pomegranate. The tangy fruit that cleanses your arteries. If there's one fruit that deserves the title of natural artery cleanser, it's the pomegranate. Beneath its thick, rugged skin lies a treasure trove of juicy seeds packed with polyphenols, especially punicalagin, an antioxidant compound 3 times more potent than that found in green tea. These compounds have been proven to slow the progression of atherosclerosis, reduce inflammation in blood vessel linings, and prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a critical step in the formation of arterial plaque. A clinical study published in Clinical Nutrition 2004 tracked coronary artery disease patients who drank 240 mg of pomegranate juice daily for 1 year. Results showed a 30% average reduction in carotid artery wall thickness, a 12% drop in systolic blood pressure, and significantly improved blood flow. These findings have since been confirmed by additional research from Israel, Iran, and the US, consistently demonstrating the cardiovascular benefits of pomegranates when consumed regularly over time. There are plenty of delicious ways to reap the benefits. Snack on fresh seeds, sip on 100% pure juice, no added sugar, or sprinkle the arils over salads. Greek yogurt or Mediterranean-style wraps. A sensible serving is about half a cup of fresh seeds per day, roughly 100 to 120 grams. If you prefer juice, keep it to around 100 milliliters per day, and drink it after a main meal to avoid sudden blood sugar spikes. However, a few precautions are worth noting. While pomegranates are nutritious, they do contain natural sugars, so those with diabetes should moderate their intake and avoid pairing juice with high-carb meals. Additionally, pomegranates may interact mildly with certain heart medications, such as statins or blood pressure medications. Consult your doctor if you're taking multiple prescriptions. Pomegranates aren't just beautiful to look at. They help your blood vessels look and feel beautiful from the inside out. They keep your arteries cleaner and more flexible and provide a solid foundation for your heart to function without strain. And if you think pomegranates are the pinnacle of heart-smart fruits, just wait for the next one, its humble found in nearly every grocery store and quietly fights cholesterol with steady, proven power. 4. Apple, the everyday fruit that kicks out bad cholesterol. Sometimes the best thing you can do for your heart doesn't come from something rare or expensive, it comes from something familiar. And apples are a perfect example. That humble fruit sitting in every grocery store aisle may seem ordinary. Still, it's packed with a powerful compound called pectin, a type of soluble fiber scientifically proven to lower LDL bad cholesterol, help prevent plaque buildup, and stabilize blood sugar levels, which is especially critical for people with diabetes over 60. A study published in the European Journal of Nutrition 2020 found that older adults who ate just 2 apples a day for 8 weeks saw an average 4% drop in LDL cholesterol, while those who didn't eat apples saw no change. The secret lies in pectin's ability to form a gel in the gut that traps bile acids containing cholesterol and flushes them out through the digestive tract rather than letting them be reabsorbed into the bloodstream. But apples offer more than just pectin. They're also rich in quercetin, a flavonoid that reduces inflammation in blood vessels, improves insulin sensitivity, and supports blood flow. With a low glycemic index, around 36 apples are a wise choice for anyone looking to control blood sugar without giving up natural sweetness. How to get the most out of them? Eat 1 medium apple a day, ideally around lunchtime or mid-afternoon when hunger creeps in. Keep the peel on, most of the quercetin and antioxidants are concentrated there. And skip store-bought apple juice. It lacks fiber and usually comes with added sugar. Worried about pesticide residue? Soak apples in a mixture of water and baking soda for 10-15 minutes before eating, a simple, effective way to remove up to 80% of surface chemicals. An apple a day doesn't just keep the doctor away. It quietly shields your heart, helping it beat stronger and steadier each day. And if you thought nothing could be more basic than an apple, the final fruit on this list will surprise you, a commonly overlooked option that helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health by nurturing your gut microbiome, the root of all inflammation. 5. Green bananas, nourishing the heart. Through the gut, they may not be as flashy as brightly colored fruits, but in the world of heart health, green bananas are the quiet heroes. Unlike ripe bananas loaded with sugar, green bananas are rich in resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that behaves like fiber in your body. Its benefits go far beyond just blood sugar control. It plays a direct role in supporting your blood vessels and heart. Why is that? Because resistant starch bypasses digestion in the small intestine and travels to the colon, where it feeds your gut's good bacteria. This fermentation process produces butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid known to reduce inflammation throughout the body, improve insulin sensitivity, and ease oxidative stress on the cardiovascular system. A study published in Nutrition Journal 2015 found that people who consumed about 15-20 grams of resistant starch daily for 4 weeks experienced a 5-7 mmHg drop in diastolic blood pressure and notable improvements in vascular inflammation markers. Green bananas also pack potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out excess sodium, a key factor for older adults at risk for hypertension and heart complications. What is the best way to consume them? Start with half to 1 small green banana per day, boiled or steamed to soften, and make digestion easier while preserving the resistant starch. You can also try green banana flour, which can be added to smoothies, pancakes, or oatmeal for a gut-friendly boost. If you have digestive sensitivities like IBS or colitis, introduce green bananas slowly to avoid bloating. Avoid eating them raw, they're tough on the stomach and harder to digest. Green bananas aren't just good for your gut, they nourish a microscopic ecosystem that's intimately tied to your heart health. By fostering a healthy digestive tract, you're easing the burden on your blood vessels, lowering inflammation, and keeping your heartbeat steady. And now you know sometimes the least sweet banana might just be the sweetest thing you can do for your heart. We've just explored 5 powerful fruits, each with a unique gift to protect your heart. Avocados nourish artery walls with healthy fats. Blueberries relax blood vessels and boost circulation. Pomegranates fight oxidative damage and reduce plaque buildup. Apples naturally lower bad cholesterol. And humble green bananas. They build a solid line of defense from the gut to the heart. These fruits aren't magic, but if you choose them the right way at the right time and in the right amount, your heart will thank you, not with noise but with silence in each steady, calm, and reliable beat. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Just start small: a fruit in the morning, a handful of blueberries with yogurt, or a crisp apple in the afternoon. It's the quiet consistency of these small choices that builds lasting strength in your heart. If you've tried any of these fruits and noticed a change, share your experience in the comments. Your story might become the hope someone else needs, someone navigating scary numbers on a blood pressure monitor or trying to steady an anxious heartbeat. If you found this video helpful, send it to someone you love, your parents, an old friend, or someone you've been thinking about. Sometimes the right video at the right time can help a heart keep beating for decades longer. Finally, hit that follow button so you don't miss the next video where I'll reveal 3 healthy-looking fruits that may secretly trigger inflammation and raise stroke risk, especially if eaten at the wrong time. Because protecting your heart isn't just about making the right choices, it's about avoiding the wrong ones too. See you soon in a steadier, calmer, and stronger heartbeat.